announced that the game was going to happen in October last year, and I think as hard as it is, it's definitely in people's back of their minds when playing. So it's something I've thought about. I don't put too much pressure on myself when playing, but thankfully when Jonah spoke to me, it was pleasing to get the call. He actually spoke to me at one of the games, one of the live games. So obviously he was commentating. He pulled me before the game, so he told me, and obviously there's a little bit of pressure going into that game before I played, but against Bangor as well, Bangor away. But no, it was, like I said, it was a little bit more pressure, but I think once he told me, it was I could relax a little bit, and like I said, thankful to get the call.
I've just literally just come back off a holiday. I've been on holiday, and I come back and it's just a bit of more good news. So it was a great feeling. All you can do is try your best and hope you can see it in you, and he has seen it eventually, which is great. And yeah, now I'm here and I'm looking forward to it. I mean, it's a brilliant honour. Not much. What students have said that they've represented their country, minimal. So yes, it'd be a great feeling to walk out there. Yeah. Be nervous to start, but that's part and parcel of football. I think it helps with the game as well to be nervous. Excited, be a rollercoaster for emotions, but once the first whistle goes, then your head just clears and you're done football then.
In everyone's back of their minds, it's definitely in there, because everyone wants to represent the country. I think the 18 or 19 boys that are lucky enough to do so this evening, it's been in the back of their minds for a few months, I'd imagine, definitely.
It's been in the back of my mind all season. You know, I'm not going to lie and say it hasn't been, because it has been. Just wanted to kind of get into the squad and kind of make amends for last year. I know I didn't really do anything wrong. I got injured, but you know, it's kind of just wanted to be there and do my best this time.
Whatever sort of level you represent in your country, it doesn't really matter. I think as soon as you put that shirt on and you're playing this evening, I think, yeah, it's quite a proud moment.
You know, I didn't really envisage having another chance probably to play for Wales or put the red shirt on again, you know, so not in this context really. I obviously went to the Euros and supported Wales as a fan, but I didn't imagine I'd ever get this chance again. And you know, like I said, if I do get the chance to play, I'll give it my all, and it'll be a special moment for me.
I think Jonah's message throughout the camp has been that we want to be competitive. We're under no illusions, we're probably underdogs for the game, but I think as long as we're competitive and give a good account of ourselves, I think that's the main important thing. It will reflect very well on the league if we're competitive and giving them a good game this evening.
These opportunities don't really come for semi-professional players. I think, you know, Welsh people like to see semi-professional players maybe playing as well, you know. Maybe not so much as superstars every week, but people who are just like them, kind of getting a chance to play international football. So I think they can almost see their dreams through us, if you like.